DIY Dad here with another great product from heartlandamerica.com. Today we're going to talk about the Tornado Tool Paint Sprayer, part number 69327. This is great for handling those big jobs. One of the nice features of it, it comes with a 24-volt lithium battery for long use. That's really nice because of the fact that then you don't have to worry about taking out extension cord and getting tangled up and knocking things over. And another good idea is heartlandamerica.com, you can purchase an extra 20-volt battery, and this will also work on this paint sprayer. This paint sprayer is good for using as paint, stain, and oils for do-it-yourself projects. It has a horizontal, vertical, and circular spray. It's really nice, lightweight design. It's really good and fits in the palm of your hand real well. It also has removable parts to make cleaning a lot easier. Keep in mind, whenever you use a paint sprayer, you have to thin the paint. It's really important when you have a paint sprayer. For latex, you want to use distilled water, or on oil-based paint, you can use mineral spirits or paint thinner. You should check with your store for how to properly thin that particular product that you purchase, because it can vary depending on one manufacturer to another manufacturer or brand of paint or thinner. For us, we use acrylic. We went with 70% paint to 30% distilled water. What we did was we mixed it up in a separate container and stir it really, really well. Then you put it in the container, and then you take a piece of cardboard and you spray it. If it comes out like sputtering, it's too thick, you need to thin it some more. Or if it's too runny, then you know you need to add a little bit more paint to it to thicken it up just a little bit. Once you get the right consistency, you're ready to start your do-it-yourself project. So you can purchase this Tornado Tool Paint Sprayer at heartlandamerica.com, part number 69327.